You can guess which way the spellings are. Watching my